Into the woods, it's time to go. I hate to leave, I have to though. Into the woods, it's time, and so I must begin the... I'm already out of breath. I must begin the journey. Into the woods and down the dell. The path is straight, I know it well. Into the woods, but who can tell what's waiting on the journey? Literally, I have no idea what we're in for.
I like it. So beautiful. Good morning. It is Wednesday, June 22nd. Today we are hiking WATERFalls in the Smoky Mountains. Looks like it's about, how far is it, babe? It says 7 miles and it says it's only going to take us 3 hours. Situation we've got is our hotel checkout is at 11:30. So we're gonna be in the same clothes. We're gonna go hike for a few hours, hopefully not running into any bears. And then we're gonna go to the Titanic Museum, and then we're gonna drive a couple hours to, where are we staying? Somewhere in South Carolina.
Kings Mountains, right outside
Kings
Charlotte.
Mountain, just so we can get some of the drive out of the way tonight. Long day, didn't sleep very good. This air conditioner in this room was really loud. But who's excited?
I am.
All right, we're gonna go find a waterfall. Status update.
What?
We haven't reached the trail yet, and we're already tired.
Woo!
What do people who don't work out do?
Man, their life kind of
I'm
sucks.
just kidding, it's not that bad. Okay. Well, first thing, why does it gotta say bear first thing?
Did you kill it?
Grotto. 1.4. Oh, it says don't feed
Don't feed the bears, girl.
the bears. So, we just passed a few people. They told us we passed a bear. Did you see a bear?
I didn't see anything. Nope.
That's a little frightening, knowing that we walked right by one, didn't even see it.
Jeez. I'm okay.
I hope I got that.
Thank you for that.
We're in trouble. Not seeing bears. Lexi can't keep her feet underneath her.
I can't do.
Oh, nice. Okay, if you guys are counting, that's 2 bears people have seen that we haven't. They must be all around us. We're not seeing them. Watch out. Signs of bear.
Okay, then that's good. Another trail.
right? Just go real slow. Careful. I'll be in front of you. Good job. Got it?
These are the days of the endless summer. These are the days, the time is now. There is no past, there's only future. There's only here, there's only now.
High five.
Oh, your
Alright, now
smiling
you gotta go down
face,
here.
your gracious presence, are the fires of spring, are kindling,
Yay!
are the raging heart.
High five.
You're the son of glory, cry of freedom in the night. These are the days by the sparkling river.
This is awesome,
It's
Kendall.
timely grace,
Careful.
our treasured faith. This is the love of the one magician. Turn the water into wine. All right. These are the days of the endless dancing. Yeah, the long walks on the summer night. These are the days of the true romancing. When I'm holding you, oh so tight. These are the days of a sparkling river. And it's time to grace in the treasured find. This is the love of the one great magician. And the water into wine. These are the days now that we must savor, and we must enjoy as we can. These are the days that will last forever. You got to hold them in your heart. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Na, na, na. Na, na,
From Bale's place. It would be difficult to find a better place to imagine mountain life than this. Picture yourself growing up here as one of the Ephraim and Minerva Bale's 9 children. Look around, this was your world. Imagine yourself and 10 others living in this small cabin. Bales owned 72 acres here. He farmed 30. The rest remained wooded. This was like many farms along the Roaring Fork. So there's a barn in the back, corn crib, hog pen, and this is the house. walk in.
I learned how they did this though because I've seen it.
Look, they must have been short, huh?
It had to, but
Look how, oh,
you can't even stand up in here.
this is amazing. You can't stand up.
This is
Well, you
I
can stand up. I can't
You're
stand up.
short. Yeah, well you can, but you would hit your head.
Can you imagine living in this with 9? This is crazy. Look how busy this place is now. These cars are squeezed in everywhere. Let's see behind me.
Get out, right?
I hope we can get out. I think there's enough room. But then you're gonna have the people just standing there waiting for us. Yeah, we can get out easy.
On the phone, it says we walked 7,676 steps.
7,676 steps. What's the walking distance? 3.5. So we did a 5K.
Sweet.
Flights climbed.
We climbed 33 floors.
33 floors of stairs, 3.5 miles. Pancakes. Huh? Big pantry.
I thought they were.
All right, let's see what we got. What do you got, Lex?
A lot of food.
Oh my goodness.
I can't eat all that.
Peach crepes. I've got blueberry pancakes with some eggs. Lexi, that looks ridiculous.
And that is whipped butter, not whipped cream, okay? So that take a big
It's good, Kendall.
I have a pancake, Kendall. I don't have to have the top. Let me take one on the side.
Hey, girls. Look, I got bear nugs on my pancakes.
Oh, gross.
Little bear nuggets on my pancakes.
Mine look more like bear nuggets.
Yours do. No, I don't know, Kendall.
No. Remember?
Who looks more like...
Remember I said that it looks like berries? They look like berries, that's for sure.
Oh, yes. That's what I'm talking about. Right there.
That's like.
Kendall, can I have one more?
We're on day 2 of our vacation. It's 1 o'clock. Just finished eating, shopping. Everybody refueled. Now we're headed to Pigeon Forge to check out the Titanic Museum. You excited? Did you get your second wind? You don't feel like going to sleep, right?
You tired, Kendall? You better wake up.
Yeah, we got lots to do. Lots to do still. Here we are. The Titanic. Jack, don't leave me.
How big it is?
Done with the Titanic exhibit. Did you guys like it?
Yes. It was cool.
Yeah. Lexi, what was your name and did you survive?
My name was Anna Himalainen, and I did survive.
You survived. Were you first class?
Second class.
Second class. Kendall, what were
I
you?
was. Is it Luis or Louis?
Luis.
Luis Kink, and I survived, and I was in 3rd class.
And you were like 4, right? And your parents both survived, and then your dad left your mom. It looked like when we read the survivor list. What were you?
I was Irene Harris, and I survived, but my husband died. And I was first class.
She was hoity-toity. I was Harry Sidowitz. I made like coats for Miss Hoity-Toity. And I was 16, 3rd class, and I died in that cold water. How cold was the water?
28 degrees.
Yeah.
You got to put your hand in it. It
temperature
was
was 32.
freezing.
Yeah, the exhibit was pretty cool. You got to hold your hand in 28-degree water, which is really, really cold. And then we got to see the actual violin from the band leader that was playing when the ship went down. That was really cool. In good shape, too.
Yeah, it was in great shape.
Yeah.
Wow.
All right. More fun.
Kendall, you can't fit in there. Don't do that. No.
She could fit in there.
Are you sure, Kendall? Don't hurt yourself, please. Nick, hope there's no spiders or anything in there.
Kendall in the hog pen.
Oh jeez, there's a giant spider in here. Yeah. It's like that big.
Is it really?
Yes.